In this video, we will see positional argument in function. So for this, so positional argument is nothing but when we pass the value while calling a function will be matched to parameter according to their position in function definition. So let's say I'm defining a function a, and it is taking name at first and then age at second, then printing name is uh, printing name is name, and printing age is age is age. We have to include it in double quotes or single quotes. So the this is my function. So let's see what happened here. So invalid syntax. Why? Name, age, and so here actually I forget comma. So that's why. So here you can see here name and age. Now let's see. Let's call this function pass name Rahul, Rahul, and then age 26, 25. So it is saying name is Rahul, age is 25. What if I pass I pass age first? First I pass age and then pass name Rahul. So what it will do? So now it is saying that name is 25 and age is Rahul. So here passing the argument will be matched to the parameters. If it is in function definition, if name is at first position, so we have to pass name name at first position when calling a function. Otherwise it will associate it with other variable, so we have to take care about this. So that's why these when calling the function, these argument are called positional argument. So I think you understood that what is positional argument, why order matter, or why sequence matter in passing passing a argument to any function, or it also order also matter in passing argument in class as well. So you have to take care about order of argument. So thanks for watching this video. Meeting you in next one.